Today I wanted a smoked pizza and I didn't want to make it from scratch. So I went to Papa Murphy's and I grabbed a pizza and some cheesy bread. Take and bake. We're going to put them on pizza stones and we're going to cook them in the smoker. First thing we're going to do is we're going to change the smoker to direct heat because we want it to cook fast. Our goal is to set it at 450 to 500. That way the internal temperature of the grill reaches about 400 degrees. As you can see, it's currently at 350, so we got to get it up to 400, and you're going to have to check it regularly to make sure it stays consistently at 400 degrees. We're going to unwrap the pizzas and get started. While I do, the reason we're going to cook it at 400 instead of 350, like the instructions say, is because we've got it on the paper and the pizza stone, and it takes a little bit more temperature to cook it fast. It took me almost 40 minutes the first time, and if you cook it at 400, it should reduce the time to around 20 to 25, which is more in line with the instructions. Okay, now we got our temperature right around 400. That's where we want to hold it. And we're going to check it every 3 to 5 minutes to make sure that we can keep track of how it's cooking. As we check it, we're going to want to turn the pizza because that middle where that flame is going to cook faster than the outside. So you definitely want to turn your pizza so it doesn't burn and it cooks evenly. That pizza finished a little earlier than the crazy bread. Looks good. So we're going to slide that cheesy bread over to the middle of the grill and finish it up. Now the cheesy bread is done. So we're gonna pull that cheesy bread off the grill. And there you go, you have a pizza and some cheesy bread all smoked in the oven. So hopefully you enjoy this recipe. Obviously I did it the easy way, buying the pizza pre-made, but we've also made our own pizzas and we look forward to doing a keto one. So try this at home, it's easy to do and you won't be disappointed. Please subscribe to Video Recon and we'll catch you in the next video.